Welcome back. Welcome to the Crypto Wolfpack Show. Quickly before I jump in and do a quick update on the markets today, inflation came out, and basically it should be bullish for all markets, but um, the markets did go up. I mean, Bitcoin went all the way to, what is that price? It spiked all the way to $48,500, only to dip back down. We took a quick little short for in case this continues to go down. Down here it's finding support there by the 15-minute 200. And just show you there. So let's see what it does. I will be very, very glad if I lose this trade, and we can actually eventually find the bottom in this craziness. That bullish divergence still exists that we got on the bullish. So that's basically Bitcoin in a nutshell. Nothing's changed. We will continue to trade it every move down to eventually where it stops falling and it does make a trend reversal. In that case, we will start to long it. But I wasn't really fooled by this pattern over here. A lot of people tried to trade this, and they actually got pretty much wrecked. That was the pattern over there. People tried to trade that, slightly broke up. We were back above the daily 200 for a little bit, and then we dipped back down to it. So if we can in this week close above this 200 daily, that would be already a very good start to finally reversing. Fear and greed has gone out of the extreme fear. We at 34, and we'll just continue to track that. If this falls back down in, my dealio, then I'll probably just scoop up some more Bitcoin spot. I did dip my toes on a few things that looked a bit interesting. Nothing big, guys. I'm really taking small risks because the deal. This white bit token, it's been doing very, very good since basically October of last year. It's just been up and up and up. So this looks interesting to me. Since October to current, it's done 153%. So I took a small position on here. Basically, if I look at these key moving averages, it's very tight. And if we do, I'm hoping that it can stay above these key moving averages. If we dip back down, I'll probably just get out of the trade and take a very, very small loss. But this looks interesting, so I did manage to take a position on Whitebit token. Then the other one that also looked quite interesting was SolV. SolV protocol, not Solana, guys, it's SolV. And this also it's gotten some traction since Feb. It's gotten some traction. It went up about 43%. And one of the few stuff that's actually gone up since Feb. And what I like about it is the key moving averages are starting to also, a lot of them are starting to become very tight. And I took a little bit of a punt there and just maybe, even if we don't go all the way, I'll be happy with even if we can just go and do a 50%, I will be happy with that. That's basically all I saw and a little bit of nibbles that I took. What's interesting, Sui is starting to look very nice. Remember, let's take off here, clean up here a bit. Remember I said I'd love to scoop up some Sui in this green box. While it is basically in that green box now, where we can scoop up some sui. What I'm looking for is I would actually love for it to go back down even a little bit more, maybe like one more dip, boom, and that's basically in this region over there between 1.96 and 1.66. I will definitely start to nibble on sui. The sui looks interesting to me. Yeah, that was basically all I saw. The other stuff are still bleeding quite bad. Let's just look what we've got here on our watch list. TRX, like I said, we didn't get into this yet, and we didn't spin up here so we can see a bit. Good. Sorry about that. Dogs went AWOL. So this didn't respect this trend line, and we actually broke. Well, we'll have to see how this daily close. But if it closes outside, we're going to have to adjust this slightly and see where we close. There was TKX. Actually, let's see. It's back on. That's quite interesting. Maybe worth a very small position on here. See if it will still be worth it. 4.43, definitely worth it. Let's go to the daily. And yeah, this looks interesting, guys. We've got like we've tested this area 1, 2, 3, 4th time it couldn't break it. And right now on the 15 minutes, we did get a type of a buy setup there, which would have gotten us into the trade a little bit earlier, but nonetheless, this looks interesting to me. And let's see if we can stay outside. Otherwise, it might just do something like this. I really hate it when it slopes up. It's normally not a good sign if it slopes up. But before we rush into this, let's see if this can come back down there, respect that line, and let's see if it can do something like that. Let's smack on a lid over there to watch it over there. And yeah, let's come back to this tomorrow, and then we'll see if we can, if it gives us a good buy setup. That's basically it, guys. Nothing much else I see. And I'll catch you again tomorrow. Cheers for now.